So today we're going to be making coconut red lentil dal using only pantry ingredients, so no refrigerated goods required. So the ingredients we need are crushed garlic, crushed chilli and crushed ginger, dried onion, vegetable stock. I love this brand. Vegetable stock will replace the salt in this recipe. Garam masala, curry powder, a 400 ml tin of coconut milk or coconut cream. Red lentils, we'll need 2 cups of red lentils for this recipe. Ghee or oil, I just love ghee. It gives the curry such an authentic flavour and so delicious. But if you want to make it vegan or if you've only got oil, feel free to use oil. I've used it many times. And lastly, basmati rice to serve our dal with, or any other rice will do. So into a little bowl, we add a couple of big tablespoons of dehydrated onion. We add enough water to cover, give it a stir and we'll set it aside. It only takes a couple of minutes. Next we're going to put all our spices into a bowl. So we add 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of crushed chilli, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of veggie stock, which acts as our salt, and then we add our rehydrated onion into the bowl. Next we light our stove and put a big pot on the stove. Now I'm using ghee and I'm putting 2 huge tablespoons of ghee into a pot, which will give it lots of flavour. At the same time I'm putting on a big pot of water for our rice and salt in the water. This is the easiest way I know to cook rice. You just put loads of water into a pot and then we add our rice as soon as it comes to a boil. Now we add all our spices, including all our dehydrated onion and crushed garlic and ginger, and we just bloom that. So we're just frying that gently over a low heat in the ghee or oil for a couple of minutes. And once that starts get going, we add 2 cups of red lentils and we give that a really good stir to make sure all the lentils are covered with the spices and the ghee or oil. Then we add a tin of coconut cream. You can use coconut milk, but I feel that coconut cream gives you more bang for your buck because it's full of solidified coconut cream. So there's no water in there. And so we add that to our pot and we give that a stir. So give that a good stir and you'll find the coconut cream will melt down and mix into the spices and the dal. Next we add 2 cans of water, so just use your coconut cream can and add 2 cans of water to your dal. We give that a stir and we're going to bring that to the boil and then turn the heat right down, put a lid on it and simmer it for about 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes on a very low heat. So it's just come to temperature, it's slowly simmering there. I'm going to give it another stir and put the lid on. And when you cook dal slowly, every 10 minutes or so, just give it a little stir to make sure it's not cooking too high and to make sure that nothing's sticking to the bottom. Now to our salted water, I just add rice like this and it's the easiest way I know to cook rice. Plenty of water and then just some rice. I give it a stir and I'm using basmati rice. I love basmati rice because it's easy to digest and it tastes great and it's cooked in about 12 minutes. Right, so I'm just checking on my coconut dal, which is nearly ready. My rice has been boiling for about 12 minutes. I'll just check to see if it's done. And once I'm happy that it's cooked, I just strain the water through a colander. Best thing about camping, you can just use the grass. Right, so my rice is ready, my dal is ready, just plating up. So I put some rice into the bowl and I add some lovely dal. Now this whole meal, including the rice, has come together in 30 minutes. So it's really quick, very delicious and very nutritious. Now for the best part. That's so good. It's delicious. You have to try this.